If you're running a WooCommerce store and want to reduce cart abandonment, increase conversions, and provide your customers with a modern, lightning-fast checkout experience, you're in exactly the right place. Hello and welcome! In today's video, we'll be walking you through everything you need to know about all-in-one WooCart, a powerful, feature-rich WordPress cart plugin designed to transform your online store and skyrocket your sales. Let's dive in and discover how all-in-one WooCart can revolutionize your WordPress store. Key features that attract users: lightning-fast cart performance, slide-out cart drawer, fully responsive design, advanced discount and coupon system, direct checkout button, comprehensive analytics dashboard. WooCart works perfectly for any WooCommerce store. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, digital courses, food items, or jewelry, this plugin adapts to your needs. Let's get ThemeHunk all-in-one WooCart installed on your WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type ThemeHunk Cart. Once you find the plugin, click Install and then Activate. After activation, you'll find it in your admin menu under the ThemeHunk section. Simply click there to access your cart dashboard and start customizing. If we upgrade the plugin to the Pro version, we'll be able to access the premium features. So, let's upgrade the plugin. Go to the ThemeHunk website, navigate to Plugins, and click on Shopping Cart. Purchase the plugin and then upload it to your dashboard. First, you need to activate the cart plugin. Go to the License section and click Find My License Key. Log in with your credentials and copy the license key from the next page. Then return to the license page, paste the key into the field, and click the Activate button to activate Cart Pro. This is Cart Pro, and all features are now accessible. This integration panel allows users to easily add a WooCommerce cart to their website using multiple methods. You can display the cart in the header menu, insert it anywhere using a shortcode compatible with popular page builders, or directly integrate it into theme files with a PHP snippet for advanced customization and flexibility. This general settings panel for the fixed cart lets you control how the floating cart behaves on your WooCommerce store. Enable Cart allows you to activate or deactivate the floating or fixed cart feature. Cart Open, lets you choose how the cart opens when a product is added. Choose Cart Icon allows you to select from different cart icon styles or upload a custom image to match your website design. Enable Floating Cart. Visibility keeps the cart icon visible even when there are no products in the cart. The menu cart settings let you customize how the cart appears in your website's navigation menu. You can adjust the display, layout, and colors to match your site's design. Any customization you make is instantly reflected in the live preview on the right, allowing you to see changes in real time before applying them. The fixed cart settings allow you to customize the appearance and placement of the floating cart on your website. You can adjust its style, position, size, and colors to match your site's design and user experience. All changes are instantly reflected in the live preview on the right. The cart side panel settings allow you to configure how the slide-out cart appears and behaves on your store. You can control how the panel opens, customize headings and button behavior, manage product display order, and adjust styling across different sections of the cart, including content, order summary, recommendations, coupons, and notifications. The content visibility settings let you control which elements appear inside the cart panel. In the product list section, you can control which product details appear in the cart panel, including image, title, price, quantity, and rating. In the recommendation section, you can enable a product suggestion area in the cart panel and display items from cross-sell, upsell, related, or custom selections. In the payment section, you can customize labels and control the visibility of shipping, discount, subtotal, and total information. In the coupon section, you can manage how coupons appear in the cart, including the input field, coupon list visibility, applied coupons, and button text. The visibility rules settings allow you to control where the cart widget appears across your website. You can hide the cart on specific pages, such as the cart, checkout, shop, or blog feed, to keep certain areas distraction-free. It also allows you to exclude the cart from selected pages by entering page IDs, slugs, or taxonomy values. The mobile experience settings allow you to control how the cart behaves on mobile devices. You can disable the menu or shortcode cart, hide cart quantity or price, and manage the floating cart settings, such as enabling or disabling it, adjusting quantity visibility, and setting its position for better mobile usability. The Cart Analytics dashboard helps you monitor how customers interact with the cart on your store. It provides insights about cart activity, allows you to view active customer sessions, and tracks product performance based on cart interactions. You can also export analytics data in CSV or JSON format for external reporting or further analysis. The Reset All Settings option restores the plugin to its default configuration by removing all custom settings and changes. Now, let's test the plugin. When a product is added to the cart smoothly slides out from the side. Here you can see the added products. You can change the quantity from here also. It is followed by a recommendation section. From here, we can directly proceed to checkout. Let's take a look at the cart on mobile. Users can apply coupon codes directly within the cart panel and instantly redeem their discount. The entire cart interface is fully responsive, ensuring that all styles and features work smoothly across different devices. This is how you can add a cart to your WordPress store. For more advanced features and a better overall experience, you can upgrade ThemeHunk Cart to the Pro version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching!